Here is the fifth and final problem, which is an opportunity for you to practice. A charged particle starts from rest with an initial potential energy of 3.0 times 10 to the power of negative 17 joules. It moves to a point where the potential energy is 1.0 times 10 to the power of negative 17 joules. Find the final kinetic energy. Pause the video and try to solve this problem now. The formula for the conservation of energy is initial potential energy plus initial kinetic energy equals final potential energy plus final kinetic energy. Plugging in the given values, we get 3.0 times 10 to the power of negative 17 joules plus 0 equals 1.0 times 10 to the power of negative 17 joules plus the final kinetic energy. This yields a final kinetic energy of 2.0 times 10 to the power of negative 17 joules,